Hi Bladers. And welcome back. Are we there yet? How many times do you hear this on a road trip with the kids? Too often, right? Car entertainment goes a long way to keeping your kids and you happy on long trips, but there's a lot to take in. We've come up with some valuable tips and tricks on exactly how to keep the kids entertained and your sanity intact while you travel. Welcome to our daily drive. Everyday tips for everyday drivers. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? And don't forget that notification bell. Now back to our topic. Are you planning a road trip with your kids? With a few easy steps, you can simply enjoy a relatively peaceful trip. Here are 4 neat tips and tricks to set up car entertainment for your kids. Number 1. Mount your tablet. One of the easiest ways to keep the kids happy is to hand over your iPad or Nintendo Switch. Either gadgets will keep them occupied for many hours, with plenty of options of things to do. Your kids can opt to hold the device in their hands the whole time, but a mount will make things so much easier. Even more so if they're planning on watching their favorite shows on Netflix. Number 2. Download content ahead of time. The best option here is to plan ahead. Download content in advance. Before you run out and spend more money buying content off iTunes, take advantage of the stuff you can grab for free from your existing services. Number 3. Split the audio. Sharing is caring. You don't really want to hear the sounds of a kid's movie while you're driving, do you? And it'd probably be pretty nice to be able to talk to your partner out the front of the car, while the kids are quietly watching something in the back. The best method for this is to use some form of adapter to split the single audio stream coming from your tablet across multiple sets of headphones. There's a few neat options for doing this, depending on your budget and needs. You can visit www.blade.ph for some neat suggestions. Number 4. Protect your devices. Overexcited kids can be a disaster for your gadgets. They don't meant to drop it or throw it around, but hey, it happens. There are literally hundreds of different screen protectors out there, depending on the size of your device. With a little prep work, you'll be ready for your next road trip with entertainment for everyone. Do you agree with our list? Comment down below and let us know. We publish a new episode of Our Daily Drive every day. If you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our new releases. For more car care and maintenance tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better.